Hi, hello everyone. Now let us see how we work today. What happened to the levels which we marked before market. First, I'll just open the list of stocks which we planned for today. So you can see these are the stocks which we planned for today. Eicher Motors, I planned it twice. Even TCS also, I planned it twice because in case if there is any reversal in the market and if first SL hit, I want to make one more entry in Eicher Motor and TCS as well. That is the reason I planned two entries in Eicher Motor and TCS. So basically, out of all these six stocks, because Eicher Motor is coming twice and TCS is coming twice, so overall we planned trades in six stocks. Out of six, we got entry in Eicher Motor, we got entry in Century Textiles, and we missed the entry in LIC Housing Finance. Let me show you these charts and let us see how they worked. So I'm just closing this for now. Let me take you to the charts. First, I'll open HR Motor, which gave us the entry. It is on 15 minutes. So let me open the 15-minute chart here. So on the 15 minutes, this is what we planned. So we want to enter around 3326. Morning in the first candle, it came very close and it didn't give the fill. We waited a little bit and later during the day, it has given the entry around 3326. And from there, what happened? It gave the target as well. This is the target which we planned 3360. It is almost 1 is to 3 trade. You can see the reward here. You are taking the risk of 10 rupees and you got the reward of 33 rupees. So which is like if you are risking 1000 rupees, you should have made 3000 rupees profit in this trade. And the next trade, let me show you LIC Housing Finance. We missed entry in this just by very few rupees. Our entry was around 394 in this stock. This was a short selling. And if you see the high of this stock, it is 393.60. Just by like one and a half rupee, we missed the entry, short entry in a housing LIC Housing Finance, and later it has given the target whatever we plan. So we'll just ignore this as we missed the entry. Now let us go back to Century Textiles. So Century Textiles, we plan this on 5 minutes. Let me show you on 5 minutes chart. This is the 5 minutes chart. In the first candle itself, it has given us the entry around 936.4. This is where we want to go long, and we plan this like 1:2 trade, and it has given the target. And to summarize, out of all these stocks, two of them has given entry. So one is HR Motor, it has given 1:3, and Century Textiles has given 1:2 trade. If you are risking 1000 rupees risk per trade, you should have made 5000 rupees profit in these two. So if you're trading in futures, multiple lots of futures, that is complete different. I'm just giving you example of taking 1000 rupees risk per trade. And in LIC Housing Finance, we missed entry just by few paise, just like 1-2 rupees. Now let us see how we worked on index. Let me open Nifty chart and let me go back to 15 minutes. Let's see what we planned and how it worked. Basically, we didn't plan anything before because it was trading, it closed almost at the all-time high. And yesterday our plan was this. In case if the price sustain above this high, we wanted to go long, or if the price come to 19,520, this is where we wanted to go long. And what happened? So it was just going in one direction throughout the day. Around here, around this level, we even entered some call and we came out almost at the day high with very small profits. We didn't trade much in Nifty today. We just made like one small profit here in Nifty. That was very little profit. And then what? We'll go to Fin Nifty. So in Fin Nifty, we did a lot of trading today. Let me show you what all we did. So what was our planning for yesterday? To go long around this area. Once it come to this demand area, we thought of going long, or if it go above this area, we thought it like to go long. So, and what happened here? Okay, let me take you to the 5 minute chart to show you exactly the charts which I have been posting on the Telegram. Let me remove this line. Around this level, once we entered call, we made some profit in this call. How we entered here? That is by following super trend. I have shared that on the Telegram channel. By using that indicator, I was able to make entry just at the bottom here, and we were able to capture some points in the Fin Nifty. And later I have clearly said to wait for the price to go above 20,060. So here, if you see, the earlier swing high is 20,056. Let me show you the telegram. I have clearly said on Fin Nifty to go long above 20,060. So there you go. See, the same thing I marked here. I asked to go long. Here you can read the message. We'll go long in Fin Nifty about 20,060. Only when it clearly gives some breakout here, we wanted to go long, and the first target will be around day high, and the second target will be previous high. Above that, definitely much more high. So this is what we plan. And if you want to see what happened in Fin Nifty, if you see, it has given breakout. Around this area, we entered 20,200 call around 20 rupees, 22 rupees. So let me show you that as well. So let me show you the put which we entered. This is the put which we entered, 20,200 put as hero on zero. Even we thought it, as it broke this area, we wanted to wait and see how far it can go. So the 22 rupees, it went much high, 30, 40. Even if you remember, even it has become 42 as well. Above this level, when it came close to this area, it has become almost 42 rupees. So almost the capital, whatever we deployed, has become double. As it is like too much far away outside the money, I asked new people to exit from the trade, and seniors can trail the SL. If you are trailing the SL properly, that 22 rupees call, whatever we entered, when it reached the previous high, it was almost 60 rupees. And by the time it reached this high, it made almost like 140, 150 rupees. That was a huge jackpot. Even if you book like uh, around 40, 44 rupees or 60 rupees also, that is like making your capital multifold in one single trade. So this is a very nice, huge a profit. If you have trailed, definitely would have captured everything in this trade. So that is how we traded in Fin Nifty. Now let me quickly go back to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we put some trend line on 15 minutes. If you watched yesterday video, I clearly said, so this is what I have said. I put this trend line. Once this trend has been broken, it can go till 45,300. This was the first target. And let me show you that on Telegram channel in case if you didn't watch the video. So this is what I have been telling. Even during the day also, I alerted everyone, in case if there is any candle closing above this trend line, it can go till 45,300. And above that, it can go even much higher. And if you want to see what happened here, once I alerted like everyone before this was breaking the trend line. Around here, if you see, it has given very nice target. Here it faced little bit of resistance, and again even it cut through the supply zone as well. Here I didn't give any specific call which you need to enter. Here I just shared the level. So as I said before, this channel is not like a tips giving channel. The reason I'm posting all this level is to help people to understand and to make their own trading decisions. So this is not just to give the tips, but here and there, definitely I'll be giving some very low risk calls and puts. But the main idea of this group and main idea of these videos and explanation is to make you guys understand the levels and plan your trade on your own. So if you follow this level clearly, definitely would have made like huge jackpot. Even ATM strike, whatever you entered here, just this small rally has given like almost 70 to 100 points profit in the options. If you have waited, that will become like multifold. But definitely even this small move also would have given you 70 to 100 points of profit in Bank Nifty. So that is about all the levels, how we traded in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty today. And now let us see how we should be trading tomorrow. First, we'll look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, while going up, it forms some nice demand area around 45, 142. Tomorrow, if you see price coming till this level, which is like 300, 350 points fall from the current market, this is where we look to go long. And then in case if it don't give any opportunity at the below level, you mark these 2 as a zone. So this will be previous high for tomorrow. Just about that, this can become a false breakout. So better wait for the market to go above all-time high. And if it give any retracement back, that is where we look to go long. Otherwise, we'll wait for the price to come here. And this is where we'll be looking to enter long around 45,142. And now let us see, that is about Bank Nifty. Let me also show you on a bigger picture what is happening with Bank Nifty. If you remember last week, we were watching weekly chart of Bank Nifty. We thought if you look at this candle, this red candle, this was last week candle. We thought on Thursday and Friday, if there is any huge fall, maybe we can see some red candle, and following weeks can be some time correction or price correction can be expected in Bank Nifty. But what happened? It didn't fall much. In fact, it recovered a little bit and it made some sort of indecisive candle last week also. And this week, if you see, even it has broken the high of last week. So for now, there is nothing as such bearish in Bank Nifty. So now let me quickly go back to Nifty chart. We'll start Nifty from weekly itself. We already saw how we traded on Nifty. So on Nifty weekly chart, it is clearly uptrend. There is nothing to draw any conclusions from there. So on daily also it is clearly uptrend. Now let us see. Normally, when the trend is clearly up, we want the market to come little down so that we will join the rally. Whenever market is going high and high, we wanted one small pullback so that we can join the rally. So that is how we do. So even here also, if we got chance around 19,520, definitely would have joined this rally. Otherwise, even once it crossed the day high, this is one area which we wanted to go long. Now let me put this for tomorrow. This is going to be previous high, and see if it go above and if it come back testing. Let's say even if tomorrow is some gap up or something, and in case if you see price coming to this area filling the gap, that is where we look to go long with the stop loss below this red candle. If there is any closing below this, we'll just exit it. And another area where we'll go long is 19,520. If the price come here, this is where we go long. So that is it about Nifty. And let me show you some 5-minute levels as well on Nifty. So in case if Nifty come to this area around 19,680, we look to go long with a stop loss just like 15-20 points on closing basis. First target definitely will be this one at the close of today, and the next target, once if it go above previous high, then we'll again look to go long. I just want to show you one more trade which we tried today in Nifty. See, today let me go to 5-minute chart, and we planned something on 5 minutes in Nifty. So first candle we have seen this red, and next candle I think this is what we planned. We planned some short here. Just give me 1 second. It is not plotting lines. Okay. So what we did today. Okay, just give me 1 second. My tool is not working. Yeah. So what we planned something on 15 minutes itself. If you see this candle after this breakout, we have seen like huge red candle. Normally, if there is any false breakout, there can be like a huge fall. So we just want to take that chance. So what we did, we tried to enter long here with a stop loss above this candle high. But throughout for next couple of candles, it was just basing around that area without giving fall from there. So we just came out of this trade. This is something which we planned during the day. Now tomorrow is FinNifty expiry. Definitely we need to look at FinNifty levels for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, let me go back to 5 minutes chart. Let me show you something on 5 minutes that we should be looking for. Let me remove this line. So for tomorrow, if price sustain above previous high, in case, okay, let me draw and show you. Tomorrow, in case if Bank Nifty starts going up and if you get chance around this area, we'll look to go long. Or if it opens somewhere here and if you see price falling till to this demand area around 20,174, we'll look to go long, and the stop loss will be below this demand area. In case if this break, this is another area where we can try one more time for long. And only below this 20,056 we'll look to go short for 100, 150 points. Just keep all these levels in mind and we'll be trading accordingly tomorrow. And coming to the stocks, I'll be posting all the stocks for tomorrow on Telegram channel tonight or tomorrow morning before the market. People who are watching this for the first time, Telegram link has been given in the description. You can join there for the stock levels for tomorrow and even for live market updates. Thank you so much for watching.